to talk about buns again today. This will just be a quick and short, sweet video about buns, just to remind you that just because your bun doesn't come out exactly like mine does, doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. In fact, every time that I do one of my buns myself, they come out different. They aren't going to come out the same every single time you do it. And when I post a video with a bun, I often may have redone that bun 3 or 4 times to get it looking the way I wanted it to. If I just sit here and recreate this same bun over and over, it literally comes out a little bit different every single time I do it, because how you wrap your hair, where you place your hair tie is going to make a difference. And then there's things like, is your hair a little thicker? Is it a little thinner? Does it have more layers or less layers? Do you have bangs or no bangs? Is it longer? Is it shorter? All of those things are going to make your bun come out differently than my buns, and come out differently every single time you create buns. Now, obviously the shape every time I do my bun, if I'm doing a specific bun, is going to be similar. Once I have kind of got the motion down pat, it becomes very repetitive and almost like muscle memory for me to do it. So they're similar, but trust me, there are times when I will redo my bun 3-4 times before I get it looking perfect and the exact way I want to. Not to mention like getting the base the way I want, pulling out hairs. Like, I think that looks terrible right now, the ways I pulled out my hairs. Yeah, I wouldn't wear it like that. I would redo it. So it just depends. You can't be so hard on yourself, and you can't compare yourself to a 2-minute clip of me doing my hair or anybody doing their hair and then be so hard on yourself when it doesn't come out the exact same way. This is not a puzzle. It is not going to finish in perfection every single time. Hair, think of it as like this moving, organic, fluid piece of art that you're creating, and it's best to just work with what your hair is trying to do instead of trying to fight it. So if your hair is going to be more floppy one day, I go with a ponytail instead of a bun. If my hair is being all floppy and does not want to hold its shape in a bun, or if my hair is like super textured and kind of dried out one day, I'm going to go for my bun because it's going to hold my style better. Or if my hair is really greasy and dry shampoo's not even cutting it, I'm probably going to go with a slick look instead of a more fluffy look. So work with your hair. Don't judge yourself so harshly. Remember that even for me or the best hair creators out there, everything depends on the hair that it's going on, what's going on with your hair that day, how you're styling it that day. So many factors go into play when it comes to how your hair is going to turn out. So this is just your little reminder to not be hard on yourself, to just keep practicing, to give yourself some grace, and to just enjoy your hair. Work with it in whatever state it's in. Try to love it in the place that it's at, because that's going to make you so much more happy than constantly fighting with your hair or wishing it was something that it's not right now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about your hair and the struggles that you might have with buns or any other styles in my comment section, because I would love to hear and discuss that with you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me, and I will get on making those for you guys. Thank you for being here. I love making videos with you guys. Bye.